Hi guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to create this neon pink eyeliner and glitter look. So keep watching. So first thing I do is just like lift up my eyebrows to make sure it's fluffy. Then I go in and carve underneath my eyebrows to start putting the base down for my eyeshadow. This is very important because you want to make sure that you have a blank canvas to work on so your eyeshadows can come off very pigmented. So mostly I just do the tapping technique to make the base very tacky so you can hold the eyeshadow. Then I go in with a fluffy brush and take away any sharp edges. Here I'm using a very tight bristled brush to tap in that eyeshadow. I go back and forth with the eyeshadow palette just to create that dense, dark, pigmented eyeshadow. The beginning of the makeup looks crazy always, but you just have to trust the process and the techniques. Once you master the techniques, every single look that you create afterwards is going to be easy. Here I'm doing the 50-50 technique with the second color, which is a little lighter than the first. And I go in small circle motion to create that ombre effect. So I keep the technique the same in the lightest shadow as well. I put 50% outside and 50% on the previous eyeshadow. Again, I make sure I change my brushes so they have as little product on it as possible. So here again, I'm using my favorite technique to create my cut crease. I use Vaseline to go across and carve out what I want to take out. Vaseline is really smooth, so it helps with carving out all the colors that you want to take out and give you that clean cut crease. Then I go in with the Q-tip and I just wipe off the Vaseline with the eyeshadow that I want to take out. In the end, I put a little bit of makeup remover on the Q-tip and I go in and wipe off anything that is left behind, any residue or anything like that. Now I'm going in with the blank canvas from Palazzi Makeup Academy. This is one of my favorite products to give me the sharpest cut crease that I want. You want to take your sweet time with this part because you cannot make any mistakes here because otherwise you're gonna ruin all the hard work that you just did this far. And this will also help you create an amazing clean look that you want. Once you master this, it is the most amazing feeling ever. After I put that all across the lid, I go in with the fluffy brush and I just smoothen it out so that the eyeshadow can go on very smoothly instead of creating like crusts and creases and whatnot. So here I'm using a little like flat bristled brush to put my eyeshadow on to create that clean, tight look without any creases or without any like edges, right? After that, I'm gonna put my glitter on. Here I'm just, brightening the inner corners of my eyes. I go in and put some glitter on, but it doesn't look as pigmented, so I do have to use glue. So I try not to use too much glue because then it looks really dirty. So I try to put little by little and then create that pigmented look. Taking Q-tip, I'm just cleaning out any fallouts. Okay, I'm using Suva Beauty Hydra liners here to give me that finished look. This is another one of those very like precise things that you have to do very, very slowly and take your time, because you can't afford to make mistakes here, because fixing this part is the hardest thing ever. Let's go in and make little strokes of lines, which helps basically give me that sharp liner. Take your time, guys, because once you make mistakes here, there's no going back, and you've come this far already. So hold your breath and make those little lines to give you that nice sharp look instead of like edges, because it looks so bad once you do have like little like lines that are just like going outside. Practice really helps, because once you keep doing it, your hands and fingers are gonna have like a muscle memory, so you just get more and more confidence with any kind of lines. With this look, I decided to do pink lashes, so I'm just using pink paint from Palazzi Academy to give me the mascara look. I don't want to use anything black here, because then it's gonna kill the whole vibe. The blank canvas that I used to create the cut crease, I used the same product for my under eye to help me with the shadows underneath. Now I'm just gluing my pink lashes on, which I'll do another tutorial on how do I create these colored lashes. Go in and do my face makeup, and bam, this is the finished look. Let me know how you like it. Thank you.